Software project management. The topic is resource allocation, creation of critical paths and cost schedules. Resource allocation. Resource allocation is the assignment of available resources to various users. In the context of an entire economy, resources can be allocated by various means, such as markets or central planning. In project management, resource allocation or resource management is the scheduling of activities and the resources required by those activities while taking into consideration both resources availability and the project time. In strategic planning, resource allocation is a plan for using available resources. For example, human resources, especially in the near term, to achieve goals for the future. It is the process of allocating scarce resources among the various projects or business unit. Resource allocation may be decided by using computer programs applied to a specific domain to automatically and dynamically distribute resources to applicants. This is especially common in electronic devices dedicated to routing and communication. One class of resource whereby applicants bid for the best resource according to their balance of money, as is an online auction business model. A study by Emmanuel Etobi Anand shows that this is highly important in resource allocation sector. Creation of critical patterns. The job pattern of an IT company engaged in software development can be split into two parts: software creation, software project management. The project is well-defined task which is a collection of several operations done in order to achieve their goal. For example, software development and delivery. A project can be characterized as every project may have a unique and distinct goal. Project is not routine activity or day-to-day operations. Project comes with a start time and end time. Project ends when its goals is achieved, hence it is a temporary phase in the lifetime of an organization. Project needs adequate resources in terms of time, manpower, finance, material and knowledge bank. Software project. A software project is a complete procedure of software development from requirement gathering to testing and maintenance, carried out according to the execution methodologies in a specified period of time to achieve intended software product. Need of software project management. Software is said to be an intangible product. Software development is a kind of all new stream in world business, and there is very little bit experience in building software products. Most software products are tailor-made to fit clients' requirements. The most important is that underlying technology changes the advances so frequently and rapidly that experience of one product may not be applied to another one. Such business and environmental concerns bring risk in software development. Time, cost, quality. The image above shows triple constraints of software projects. It is an essential part of software organization to deliver quality product. Keeping the costs within client's budget constraint, they deliver the project as per as scheduled. There are several factors, both internal and external, which may impact this triple constraint triangle. Any of three factors can severely impact the other two. Therefore, software project management is essential to incorporate user requirements along with budget and time constraints. Software project manager. A software project manager is a person who undertakes the responsibility of executing the software project. The software project manager is thoroughly aware of all the phases of SDLC that the software will go through. Project manager may never directly involve in introducing the end product, but he controls and manages the activities involved in production. The project manager closely monitors the development process, prepares and executes various plans, arranges necessary and adequate resources, maintains communication among all team members in order to address issues. Let us see few responsibilities of a project manager. Managing people. Act as a project leader. Liaison with stakeholders. Managing human resources. Setting up reporting. Let us see few responsibilities. The last point is setting up reporting hierarchy. Managing project. Defining and setting up project scope. Managing project management activities. Monitoring progress and performance. Risk analysis at every phase. Take necessary steps to avoid or come out of problems. Act as project spokesperson. Software management activities. Software project management comprises of a number of activities, which contains planning of project, deciding scope of software product, estimation, scheduling, and resource management. Activities may include project planning, scope management, project estimation. Cost schedules. Calculating cost is straightforward where organization has standard cost figures for staff and other resources. Staff cost includes not just salary but also social security contributions by the employer, holiday pay, etc. Timesheets are often used to record actual hours spent on each project by an individual. One issue can be how time when a staff member is allocated and available to the project, but is not actually working on the project, is dealt with overheads. In general, costs are categorized as follows. Staff costs, overheads, usage charges. Cost profile. This shows how much is going to spend in each week. It could be important where the organization allocates projects budgets by financial year or quarter, and the project straddles more than one of these financial periods. Accumulative costs. The project manager also concerned about planned accumulative costs. The chart T can be compared to the actual cost when controlling the project to assess whether the project is likely to meet its cost. Thank you.